we were talking about the subsistence agriculture. And in this subsistence agriculture, we've already discussed about the intensive subsistence agriculture. Now I move to the second type of subsistence agriculture, which is termed as the primitive subsistence agriculture, which is further subdivided into shifting agriculture and nomadic herding agriculture. When I talk of the shifting agriculture, the word itself indicates that the farmers keep shifting from one place to another for agriculture. That is, they sow their seeds on one land and then after harvesting they move to the next plot of land, and this is called as shifting cultivation. This is also called as slash and burn agriculture, because whatever is the leftover is burnt so that the land regains fertility. It acts as a manure and the land is kept fallow for few years. Now this type of shifting agriculture which is there is practiced mostly in the Amazon basin and in the tropical Africa and Southeast Asia and also in some parts of India. Now this shifting agriculture, which as I said clearly means that the farmer is growing crops and shifting to the next plot of land. Here the crops grown are maize, potato, yam and cassava. In India, especially in the northeast India, this type of agriculture is called as jamming, and in Mexico it's called as milpa, whereas in Brazil it is called as roca. That was about the shifting subsistence agriculture. Then I move to the next one, which says nomadic herding. Nomadic herding. Now the word itself is indicating nomadic means the people who are moving from one place to another. Herding means those who rear some kind of animals are herders. Now this nomadic herding is very popular in the Sahara Desert in Central Asia, in India, in Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. You must have come along sometimes when you are traveling. There are people who are moving with flocks of sheep, herds of cattle, and these people, as you can clearly make out, are the herders, nomadic herders moving from place to place. In India, they are also popularly called as the Banjaras, and they are the ones who are also termed, given other terms like Bakarwals and so on. Now these herders, they move on a definite route because according to the climate and according to the terrain which is there, they move and make their path accordingly. For example, if in India I say, then during winters they come down to the plains and in the summers they move towards the mountains. Gujars, as I said, is a very famous nomadic herding community of India. Then sheep, camel, yak and goat are the few animals which they herd, and milk, meat, wool and hides are the products which come out of nomadic herding.